Pisces, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new reading. It will be timeless, it will be general. So whenever you come across this, there will be a message here, something that resonates, perhaps something that you need to know, something that you need to consider, a sort of clarification of things, or some good advice. Okay. We have 5 cards from the Tarot of the Cat People. And towards the end, to round it off, we have a couple of oracle cards that we're going to look at. So, Pisces, 10 of Swords. The tens, of course, denoting ends of cycles, new beginning. There's a new cycle beginning. You're releasing mental burdens, burdens of the past, of the present. They may not have all been your burdens, burdens you carry for other people, because you're very empathetic, and you may be carrying the woes of the world on your shoulders, but things are changing. It's a new day, it's a new dawn. You're being watched, you're being encouraged. In this new cycle, you have friends. They don't want you to be sad anymore, they want you to be relieved, released from these burdens. So, the Tower, of course, changes, repairing something, adjustments, something you've been putting off, something you've been putting on the back burner, a setback, a stumbling block, an obstacle, a hindrance. It's now time to face this, and in conjunction with these releasing the burdens, you're also making changes in your life. You're repairing something, you're making something good. You're facing something that you have been putting off. So, and that will be the success of the change. If you're dealing with this Tower moment, when parts of life are tumbling down, you have to rebuild from the bottom up sometimes. Sometimes just the upper part though. So, connecting to your higher self, your higher awareness, expanding your consciousness, becoming more optimistic, more positive. The Moon, secrets within, looking at yourself, higher self. What is it you want? You need clarification for something, you need guidance, you need the right confirmation, you need some advice. The advice can come from within, from your higher self. The advice can come from outside sources. We have the 5 of Pentacles. You are in your near future facing a financial challenge. So that could be difficult, it could be daunting, but there's a very positive aspect to this challenge, to this change. It all has to do with your inner changes. being more in control of your finances. That is confirmed by the Eight of Pentacles. You're working very hard. You're getting your financial matters into order. You're welcoming material growth, abundance, prosperity, and your work is something that you possibly very much enjoy. It is tailored to your talents, to your potential, to your power and your capabilities. So you're working at full capacity, paying attention to detail, being very useful in the business world, whether you're self-employed or you're working for someone else. You're becoming very organized. You're coming out of this feeling of lack or feeling of being left behind here for some reason. And that is all changing. It's all positive. The adjustments you're going to make have reverberations well into your future. Go for it. It's a number 5. Go for it, but protect yourself. Whatever you're doing to make financial success, personal changes, go for it. Don't delay it any longer. Don't stagnate. Don't procrastinate. Don't stand still. Take action. The time is right. Doors are opening for you. There are options, there are opportunities for you, there are possibilities. You will have the chances to make the right changes and to make the right decisions. But you need to act. You need not procrastinate and stand still and go within too much. You have to come out. Connect your higher self, your higher consciousness. Potential. Show your potential. Show your power. You're on a seeker's journey. Going with the flow, part-time. You are holding your own guiding light. You are listening to your inner voice. You're very strong. You're very self-confident. You're in charge of your journey. Maybe a seeker's journey, but you're very much in charge, Pisces. So, that is basically what we are having here. We're having ends of cycle. We're having adjustments and repairs. We are connecting to our higher self. You have a new creativity and inspiration is coming. More enthusiasm, new ideas. Especially on this seeker's journey, you come across opportunities, doors are opening, but you need to push, go for it. Don't stand still. Don't think about it too long. Think about it, yes. Protect yourself, but don't wait too long. Okay, that's what I have for you today. Pisces, it's been a pleasure reading for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next reading. Until then, take very good care. Bye-bye.